What's up guys, Thomas here for Rc-Xtreme. Wonderful day at the Mega GravelPit. Traxxas ERevo 2.0. This will be the final session up here this season. There's no ballistic power, but it moves real well and it is quite easy to control. Spent a lot of time adjusting my diffs on this one. So we're gonna try for some UpJumps. I'm running, well, let's see here, 900 CST on all four corners with the new GTR shocks and the thin nitrate coated shafts, you know, the gold ones. Stock springs, front diff 80k, mid 200k, rear 10k. It is so much easier to drive, still hauls, still do wheel what you want. Yeah, it's basically a extremely fun car to drive. The only upgrades, besides of course the Max6 and the Leopard 2K motor, is the rear aluminum chassis race and the center CVD. So fun to drive this car. No turtle time here, guys. Traxxas sledgehammer tires. I'm actually using extended hex. I think they're 10 mil. I want to go down the other side. It's a mud bath. Oh. It's something else to drive this car. I've done it, I don't know how many packs, but extremely much. And I've done the abyss jump. Flat landing, and it just takes it. see if we can do anything here. Don't want to end up in I feel so pleased. I could just pack and go home. Yeah. I think I got a lot of sand and debris in the rims. Ooh, that was a close call. Yeah, I'm pleased. Ah! Thought it was time for. Today with the ERevo. You know, I haven't touched the shocks since I built them. That was quite fun. So we're gonna change car. So slippery. Nothing to talk about. 18K, 27K. I think this has moved a little bit, so it's only zip tied. Garden house clamping is, in my opinion, the best choice. I think I didn't have anything home, so it's nothing special. No limit straps, no nothing with this car. No, you know, no bended turnbuckles. No ripped out shocks, ball ends, no nothing. It just works. Probably the car in my fleet that has the least downtime. I have so far, if I do remember correctly, that support here, or was it? That's what's the from. I think it was the third pack you know, I slid it into a boulder and it snapped. So I made my own one in carbon fiber and haven't changed since. Snapped a steering link, you know, this one, 2 hubs and 1 or 2 arms total since I got this car. So it's time for the next one.